Today I'm going to share with you this marble design using the gel color. With this design, I make all the colors kind of translucent. When you make marble with translucent color, it gives depth in the design, and you can also see the pretty iridescent flakes I put underneath it depending on the angle. It looks really pretty. Let's get started. First off, I'm going to apply OPI's Funny Bunny as a base. Funny Bunny is a sheer white color. I put this color because even if next color doesn't cover all the surface, it will look okay. Place iridescent flakes on the sheer white. Sheer white surface is still sticky, so it should stick pretty good. You will be able to see these pretty iridescent flakes under the marble depending on the angle. This time I used teal color from OPI and iridescent gel from KOKOIST. I'm gonna make the color a little translucent by mixing with base coat. This time I used the teal color from OPI, but you can absolutely use any of your favorite color. But I highly recommend using KOKOIST iridescent gel to mix with your favorite color. This gel is the key to make the marble design much deeper. Place the color randomly and swirl with a brush.
I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Place iridescent flakes a little.
Not okay, all I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's
Place white gel and make it blow using the clear base gel.
on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want.
Last but not least, place the gold foil. It should stick to the tacky layer, and tap it with your finger to make sure that foil's flat to the surface. Finish up with the top coat, and there you have it, the deep marble design using the gel with iridescent flakes. Actually, this design looks so much better if you look at it in person than looking in the video or picture. I can't tell you enough how pretty the iridescent gel looks, and also the shimmer of the flakes underneath the marble. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!